in today's episode. We roll into, I want to say Dallas, like the center of Dallas, close to Love Field, Lover's Lane. There we go. I'm going to be working on that one Mercedes that was pretty bad. I'm going to be replacing the radiator, through the day. Yeah, we're going to be replacing the radiator, the fan clutch, what else we got? The belt, water pump. It's quite a few things just to get this car back running. So yeah, I'm gonna be knocking out that one, and then I have one in further south Dallas. I want to say Lancaster, seeing what's going on with a van. All right, back at this one. Got everything we needed pretty much to get it back right. Shouldn't take too long. All right, so far we got the radiator loose. There's a line that bolts to the bottom of this. It's a 10 millimeter. What else? These are two 19 millimeters right here. Make sure you don't lose the copper fitting that comes off. And there's a 19 down there. Another transmission line. So it should be ready to come out. Actually, it's ready to come out. All right, now we got space to work on the water pump. Check it out. Yeah. Yeah. Right to the ground. All right. Got the water pump and the gasket out. Cleaned out the surface area. About to add the new gasket in there. All right. All right. All right, we finally got that bins finished. It took a little longer than expected because that wreck caused a bunch of little minor mishaps. And so I corrected them and got it fixed. It took about, I want to say about 4 hours. Now we're dealing with some 35 traffic on the way to Lancaster.